Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I hope you all guys are doing great. Today video is also about sewing, and today I bring a very interesting project. We are transforming skirt into a palazzo pant or any kind of PJs, or many people ask me about teach how to make a shalwar, which is more famous in Pakistan and India and Asian cultures. So the method is same, you can use the method use any kind of your like a big length or wide scarf. Also you can use any unstitched fabric or whatever piece of fabric you want to use for that project. That will work out. So let's head to the project. So the first of all, we're gonna see how our elastic or belt area is adjusted. As you can see, my client already have given me the measurements about her waist. She have a elastic on the back, but the front part is just a fabric folding. So I measured this already. There's a one inches on both sides. So and like a totals are 2 inches on both sides, but the 1 inch from front and 1 inch from back. So simply now I know I have to just take 2 inches from front and 2 inches from back from the waist area. And the next thing I'm doing, I could take inside that fitting from a sides, but because she have a pockets, so we don't want to mess up with the pockets on the side, so I will cut from the center area, which we even have to cut, even we don't need to take any fabric inside, but still we have to mark it and cut it, because that's how you're gonna make your palazzo pants or PJs, whatever you're working on. So simply make sure all those fabric little bit things are straight, and just simply we're gonna fold it, folding our skirt. Make sure everything is lined up perfect, because you're gonna cut it, you're cutting a pant. In the same way, fold it from a bottom area as well. This is very easy. Just cutting take a little time, but once you line up everything nicely, it's perfect. Alright, as you can see, it's lined up here, but first we're gonna fix our waist area. That's very important, main important part. I'm gonna make sure my pockets are lined up too, together, because they have elastic. We don't want to mess with that thing. Nice. All right. So after lining up nicely, now the next thing is just make sure the both fabrics are together. Okay. So as I had told you, I have to cut from waistline fabric to adjust the waist area. So I'm just marking the 1 inch, and that will be I'm marking for seams here, and then I will cut little bit here. put on top of each other. And here you go. You have it. And just cut on the edges of that thing. So simply we are cutting from waist area to here. Just put your size, actual size pant on top of each other, and that's it. Right, and the next thing, without moving, you have to make sure she have
if you're
elastic
making a palazzo
on
pants,
you can take like a 17 to 15 inch, which I gonna take it. Its total is already 16 inches in a fold. So simply I gonna mark from (15) to, and then on a 14 we can sew it. And just move it. Make sure both fabrics are lined up. And again, we're gonna cut it. Here you go. You just did cutting of your PJs or palazzo. So we have two pieces right now. All we're gonna do to start pinning up, simply open both front area with the front area, back area with the back area. So the first more important part, we're gonna sew from our waist area to where we have a marked 13 inch. Believe me, you really, once you start making this, you're really gonna enjoy it. And they are easy, not complicated. So right, so we're gonna sew from here to here, and then we're gonna sew from all the way from our ponchos and from the bottom area as well, and then I will back. Let me show you before sewing from bottom. It's already turning into nicely from top side. As you can see. Now all we are just gonna sew from the bottom area. Now our palazzo will be ready. You just have to overlock on all sides so you can secure your fabric. And our project is almost done today. Thank you so much for watching our today beautiful palazzo pants project. And if you really like our today project, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyrus Creations. God bless you all. Bye bye.